Hey guys, it's Michael with Mealey Marine, and today my buddy Ethan dropped off his pride and joy, a 175 TXW bass tracker. Whoo, it's a good looking boat. A little bit of backstory about this boat and my friend Ethan, who you're going to see later on in this video, is me and Ethan used to play Junior A hockey. This is like 2011, 2012, and I know that's really weird for a bunch of Texas boys, but we met up. You know, we played on the same team, and he said, hey, let me take you fishing. And I had grown up like fishing, but just mostly catfish and whatever else kind of bit, and that was it. Well, he took me bass fishing, and he had an old Ranger, and I guess that's kind of like my infinity for Rangers, but we went, and I was just blown away by how cool it was. And it wasn't really about like catching fish, because I didn't catch anything. But it was all about like all the boats that were there and how cool they looked and how fast they went. And it was just like free being on a lake, on a boat. And now fast forward, you know, man, 10, 11 years, and I own my own company that's centered around working on boats, which is really cool. So I have a lot to thank for my friend Ethan, like introducing me to bass fishing and introducing me to bass boats. So about this boat, not this one, but a Tracker 175 TXW was my first boat that I ever owned. And so I have like a big sentimental value for these boats. And when he told me that he was looking to kind of upgrade some of the stuff on his boat, I said, man, just drive down here and let's get it fired up. So this is what we're going to do today. He went ahead and he bought a 93 SV Panoptix and the mount. He got that Helix 10 for me a couple months ago. So we got graphs that are worth more than the boat now. But he's a very good tournament fisherman. And so, you know, kind of the deal is, if you really want to compete anymore on some of these tournaments, you have to have some sort of live sonar, or you're just behind. You're just putting yourself at a detriment. Not saying you can't win without it, but if like 90% of the field has it and you don't, you are definitely already behind the 8-ball. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to get it hooked all up. You know, we got the transducer already laying out. We kind of worked through it last night. So we're not going to mount it there. We actually got a ram mount as well, and we're going to like do a double stack, which is pretty freaking awesome. We got the black box is going to go in this compartment here. You know, I've said it in every Panoptix video I've ever done. Put this somewhere where you can see it, because you need to know. And then just kind of coming back here, let's just say Ethan likes to have a good time. We'll leave that little box there as a at that. But we're gonna either run the wires back here, or he's gonna go get a battery, and we're just gonna run the Panoptix straight from its own battery, which, you know, I think is probably the best way to go about it. But first, we gotta go back over to my buddy Ike's house, and we gotta get this fixed. My man can't be running around on the lake with that. So let's go ahead. Of course it's riveted. Ugh, okay, didn't see that one coming. So yep, so let's go ahead, let's take those out, and then we'll is the backside riveted? I don't even know how this thing's attached. What's going on here? I don't know. I have no clue. Oh, it's tack welded. So, all right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna drill out these rivets, and then we'll go from there. So just got back from Mike's, and we got this welded up. Burnt the carpet, but it is what it is because I don't think my buddy Ethan cares about how his boat looks. So Ethan is here. We're gonna get to work on this. So we're gonna go ahead, get this put back in. We got some rivets. We're gonna rivet it in, and then we're gonna get to work on getting this Panoptix done. It's really late. I've been doing this since about 5 o'clock this morning. Looks like the 4th boat I've touched today. I'm tired of doing it. So we're gonna knock this out, and then tomorrow we're gonna go fishing. So stay tuned. Okay, so that was the longest install I've ever done in my life. That took us about 3 hours to run Panoptix in this boat. I was like, oh man, we're just gonna fly through this. So if you're gonna put Panoptix in a tractor, good luck. Good luck. So that's everything for this video, guys. If you liked the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Check back weekly. We upload videos weekly, and tomorrow we're gonna go catch some fish, right?
Hails bells.
Hails bells. All right, last thing, guys. If you can guess how many beers Ethan drank in this video, I'm gonna give away a free t-shirt, so be sure to comment down below. If you can figure out how much beers this man drank while we did this install, I will send you a free Mealey Marine t-shirt. All right, guys, until next time.